Hi friend, today I share you how to open Coinbee account. I say you first what is Coinbee account. Coinbee account, that means cryptocurrency money top up account. Okay, you can use this cryptocurrency account platform. You can top up your any country mobile top up and gift card. Okay, today I share you how to open the cryptocurrency Coinbee account. Today I first go coinbee.com. Okay, coinbee.com. After that you choose you email, password, first name, last name, house number, postcode, city, date of birth. Okay, so you go first, you choose you email. So first I put my email address. Okay, I put password. Okay, password. Okay, then you put your first name and last name. So my first name, last name, first name and last name. House number you like this, block C, DHK, like this. Okay, postcode. Okay, postcode, country Bangladesh. Okay, city Dhaka, DHA, Dhaka. Okay, country Bangladesh. This one, like this. Your date of birth, you can choose your date of birth. Okay, then you I receive new list. You cannot or can, no problem. Okay, so I again repeat this one. Coinbee account, that means you have cryptocurrency your wallet. You can top up any country anywhere. Okay, so first you email, password, name, first name, last name, block, secret, and postcode, Dhaka. Okay, everything okay. You can agree. And captcha. You complete your captcha. B C G E Z. B C G E Z. Okay, I repeat again you my password. You must password, first letter, big letter, capital letter, then you small letter, then you symbol, then you number. Okay, you password. Okay, everything my okay. I sign up. Okay, my account already sign up. So you see already one confirmation code your email. Okay, so I go my email address. Just several minutes wait. I get one email. Okay, okay, I already I get email. This one is my confirmation link. Okay, this one my confirmation link. I click there. Okay, I click there. Okay, my account already active, so first I go, I logging again, captcha 5xq5 logging. Okay, my account already logging, so you see more offer here. You can pay your Grameenphone, Robi, Banglalink, Teletalk, and everything you can pay there. Okay, everything you can pay there. Okay, understand? Everything you can buy there. E-commerce, games, you can pay games, entertainment, fashion, food, restaurant, electronics, everything you can payment there. Okay, so mobile credit. Okay, if you want you research your mobile phone, after that you can go there. Okay, like this you choose GP or Grameenphone or Banglalink. Okay, I see Robi. Okay, you first go your mobile number, then you continue. Already come, you see everything have. Okay, you see everything have Teletalk, Grameenphone, Banglalink, Airtel, all over the world. Defend your country phone number. Okay, you can use USA, then you show USA phone number. You can use UK, you show USA phone number, UK phone number. Okay, then continue. You see this one 50 minimum. You see 50, 62, 75, 80, 88. This one you can buy internet package. You can buy internet package. If you can internet package, you can buy internet package. Everything can internet package. You see everything you can buy. Okay, everything you can buy. Okay, everything you can buy. Then you check out. Okay, right now my wallet no have any money, so I cannot buy. Okay, I try this. Okay, this one at checkout. Okay, go shopping chat. Shopping now. Go shopping chat. Continue shopping. Go shopping chat. You see Robi. Okay, then you see 60 euro, then you 57 you top up your phone. 62 top up your phone. You see all currency have. Okay, all cryptocurrency have there. Okay, all currency have. Like this you have Bitcoin, then Bitcoin pay you this one BDT. Okay, understand? This is process. Okay, this is process. Everything you agree, everything you agree. You can buy Binance, Remiteo. Okay, credit card, debit card, everything you can do, no problem. Okay, understand? Like right now my have no any balance, so I cannot buy there. Okay, just you try and you have balance, Binance or anything you like this, you pay you Binance. Okay, like this you Binance, you logging, you pay. Okay, right now I buy. Okay, this one cannot I show. This is my protection. Okay, so you can pay, you can email here and password, then login, then pay. After that your mobile top up is complete. Okay, I think you everything understand. Thank you so much.